Good evening. It was decided to do an event in Dubai on the 23rd of September. It was a Friday. By popular demand, we have shifted this event to 24th September, the Saturday, so that it would be convenient for you people to attend. So I'll be in Dubai on the 24th of September at 6 p.m. Hope to see you in Dubai. Those desirous of participating in the Dubai event can contact us at the WhatsApp number given below or mail to the email ID given below. We will see you in Dubai. Kindly drop us an email or send a message on the WhatsApp number. Good evening. As we did with Dubai, we decided to move the event in Abu Dhabi also by one day to Saturday, so that instead of 30th September, we'll have the event on 1st October. So I will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those living in Abu Dhabi need not take the pain of traveling to Dubai. We will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those who want to see me in Abu Dhabi may drop us an email at the address given below or contact us by the WhatsApp number that flashes below. My team will get in touch with you. Thank you. Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Yesterday, the Dow continued to fall for the fourth continuous day. After Wednesday of last, after the minutes of the Fed was released, markets are continuously cracking. Yesterday, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 did not fall much, but the Dow continued its fall and the top 30 stocks continued to bleed. Yields went up and gold also was struggling. Overall, it is very clear that the American market and the world market is feeling a lot of pressure. There are contradictory signals coming in. The markets rallied primarily because they thought that a sharp recession would come, and as usual, the Fed would jump to their rescue by cutting rates and printing money. But the Fed has been consistently saying, unless there is a huge drop in inflation, they will continue their path of raising rates. And not only that, they will continue to tighten monetary policy by withdrawing money which they had which they had infused. The Fed had expanded its balance sheet 9 times in the last 12 years and is slowly bringing it down. They hope to bring it down by the rate of $1 trillion every year. They are now badly floundering and they have not yet tightened liquidity to the level which they said they would. But they have promised to continue to tighten liquidity. So free money is not available. This is the reason why unicorns are finding it very difficult to raise money in markets. In fact, for those who are following Indian unicorns, they will know that Byju's has not yet made the payment for buying Akash. It was supposed to pay one of the marquee US bankers a sum of $1 billion. This payment was supposed to be finished a long time ago. The company Byju's had taken time till the month of August 30th to pay for it. There were some reports which said that Byju's had paid for it. These were proved to be untrue. Byju's has now clarified that the big marquee investment banker has given them time till 30th September to pay, and Byju's will meet that commitment. As I have already indicated to you, Byju's has not yet filed its financial statement for the year 2021. There is no sign of anywhere near profits in either Byju or any of the large companies. Zomato is being pummeled in the Indian stock market because there is no way it is going to make money. Paytm is also struggling and will not make profits for at least next 1 year, according to its promoter. His promoter narrowly won reappointment and his remuneration passed through with the skin of the teeth. On November 14th, the lock-in period for pre-IPO investors will also end. These people will also sell. Like Zomato, it is expected even in Paytm, a large number of people who bought Paytm for a fraction of its IPO price will also offload stocks the day November 14th comes and goes, and there will be a big drop in the price of Paytm stocks. These companies are nowhere near making profits and will not touch profits anytime soon. Before, the weak and loose monetary policy of the developed nations were pushing funds and these companies were spending money. This is the why there is a lot of job loss in unicorn companies in Bangalore. In fact, a leading financial daily recently carried a report which said that good times for IT employees are over They are no more going to get fancy salaries which they commanded last year. Demand is drying up and funding is drying up. And because funding is drying up, there are not going to be many takers for private equity. This pressure is primarily because all central bankers are tightening in face of severe inflation. What the Fed is now saying is they will continue to raise rates. This has put a lot of pressure on the bond market, and the bull bond market is over. In fact, several countries are unable to pay their interest and principal and have defaulted. Sri Lanka being a major defaulter, Pakistan is on the verge of default and could default any time unless the IMF decides to bail them out. It is looking increasingly tough for Pakistan. There are other countries such as Turkey, Kenya in Africa which are also struggling and have not yet declared default. But there could be a wave of defaults in sovereign debt. But this sovereign debt is not the only problem. These defaulters have now moved to Chinese companies. Ever since Evergrande, a Chinese real estate developer, went broke, at least 30% of all Chinese developers have gone into serious financial trouble. In fact, the international bond market, which finance these Chinese real estate companies, estimate a loss of $130 billion. That is, most of the finance developers' bonds which are placed in overseas market in dollars are trading to a 70 cents to a dollar. That means there's a haircut of 30%. It is clear that most of these companies which have missed interest payments are going to go bankrupt, and this could mean that foreign debtors come in and seize properties. But even if you seize the properties, whom will you sell it to? Because most of the properties are not in areas which are livable and with no jobs around that area. Most of the Chinese people have bought these companies thinking that prices will go up forever. The perfect 2008 financial storm is what is now hitting China. A large number of home buyers who paid full money in pre-sales contract are now unable to get their flats, nor is there any construction activity. This has become a good old Ponzi scheme. These people have started to boycott paying mortgages, and boycott mortgages is a trending all over China. This has put further cash flow pressures on these companies, which are unable to deliver flats on time. Most of the large Chinese real estate companies are in serious financial trouble. It is clear that China needs a big property bailout if it has to survive this bust. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button of my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. I am visiting the historic town of Trichy on the 27th of August. We are planning to hold a meeting in Trichy where I get to meet my subscribers and people who follow me on social media. This will be a live interaction with my friends, followers and subscribers of my channel. It is very interesting. We have had several events in various small towns of Tamil Nadu. If you wish to participate in that event, a WhatsApp number is given below. You may contact us on that WhatsApp number, or you could drop an email to the address given below. My team will respond to you. I hope to see you in Trichy on the 27th of August at 6 p.m. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.